Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Capricorn, let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your likes and your lovely comments. It really makes my day. Thank you so much. And Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, so Capricorn, we're dealing with a little bit of a magician in reverse. They were just not being able to manifest what they really wanted. There is a lot of love here. Lot of love here, and somebody definitely wants to come back. They're feeling very foolish. Maybe they didn't commit when the time was right. And see, bottom of my deck, I do see a Queen of Pentacles in the upright. Now, this is the spouse card. This is a loving, kind, beautiful person that anyone would love to have for long term in their life, right? So that's our overall energy, which is great. And 1 second. Okay. So so my first look before I start the reading, just the first look. Of course, I'm going to clarify all these cards. There is a lot of love here. 2 of Cups. Somebody wants to heal the situation. Maybe things have stagnated at the moment, but I do see them now thinking about commitment, wanting to come back. Okay, but I'm going to clarify all these cards after we do our dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start. So Capricorn and their person spirit. Capricorn and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Capricorn, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Thank you. I'm going to take a couple more from here, Capricorn. Capricorn and their person. Okay. And another few from here. Capricorn and their person. Good to go, Capricorn. Let's start our reading. The first card I have here, Capricorn, says, "Don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again, but the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games will no longer be tolerated." So somebody's really found their self-worth here. Say, hey, I'm not dealing with any drama. I'm not dealing with any in and out immature person anymore. I don't want a player in my life. I'm pretty capable of taking care of myself. Your coded cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried the karmic is going to see, just call me and tell me the effing truth. It's the least I deserve. I know that you stalk me on social media and use other sources to gather information about me after you've chosen to ghost me. It's so not cool. If you want to know anything about my life, you should step up and be involved in it. Like somebody is trying to just play a trickster here. You know what a magician does, right? They create illusions. Now you see me, now you don't. You don't know what I have under my hat, kind of a thing. So somebody's saying, hey, just be direct with me. Don't play these games with me. Always on my mind and in my heart. Yes, that's you, always and forever. I like so many things about you that I don't even know how to tell you that I love everything about you. I think that you were made for me and I was made for you. I wish that you were here or I was there. I wish that we were together anywhere. This is a strong soulmate connection. I guess both of you feel it, but somebody's been playing games here. I'm under so much stress. I'm working through issues with my family. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. So Capricorn, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn. Blessing, guidance, advice, peace. Capricorn, peace will be restored back into your life one way or the other. I don't know how it's coming, but my angels are gifting you peaceful times ahead. Okay, so let's start with your reading. So Spirit, what's this Fool card in reverse? What's the Fool card in reverse? Somebody's feeling very foolish that they may be rejected an Empress. Now they have made their choice now, and they do want to heal this broken hearts between the two of you. Why are they feeling foolish, Spirit? They never offered a brand new beginning. Yes, now they're getting some bad karma, it seems. Things are totally stuck in their life, or maybe things are stuck between the two of you. Maybe this person is now getting some bad karma for not respecting an Empress. What's this Hierophant, Spirit? Yeah, somebody wants to reconcile. They want to come back. They don't want this Empress to put any barriers up now. They want to lower their defenses, and they do want to come back, maybe offering some kind of a very strong commitment. This is again another card of somebody coming back from your past, Capricorn. This is like, you're my soulmate and you're my best friend, and I miss you, and here I'm offering you these flowers to make up, and can we just be, back on track again? Six of Cups, Spirit. Six of Cups. Yes, they want to hold on to this Empress. They don't want to let a chance go by. They're already feeling very foolish that they never kind of fought for this connection earlier. They want to come back and reveal whatever's in their heart. They are a bit afraid that, there's been some time lapse that's happened here. Maybe there's been a delay in their coming back. Maybe they were not sure till now. They were pulled in two different directions. Or they also could be fearing now that, that person, because so much delay has happened, that person may block them off, may not, allow them back into their heart anymore. Nine of Wands in reverse. Nine of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this person now knows that if they want these barriers to come down now, they have to offer the full Monty. They have to come offering commitment. They cannot come back with a half-baked offer. Yes, I'm happy with you, but I don't know where we are going. So they know that they can't come with that halfway happiness. They need to come with the full Ten of Pentacles, or else, Magician in reverse. What did the Magician in reverse do, Spirit? Why is Magician right here, center of my spread? Oh, see what they've been tricking you with, Capricorn. I don't know which side you're on now, but whatever this person has been hiding till now, when I say trickster, it doesn't have to be a mean trickster. Maybe they've just been covering up the fact that you are their wish fulfillment. They have been praying and wishing for you. They haven't told you that though. They haven't told you how much they really, really do love you. So this has been their, Magician in reverse, whatever they've done, is basically trying to hide the fact, to show you that they love you. They feel you're the Two of Cups. You are their soulmate. You are the one that, Two of Cups, Spirit. They want to end this conflict with you, that's for sure. they don't want to fight anymore. They feel so much of time has been wasted already. So much of, they never put in the work. They are feeling bad about that as well. They feel things are just not working out between the two of you because, or suspect that they won't work out now because they've been very immature in the past. They've never really shown you their true self. They've pretended to be a player maybe, or somebody who just brings drama, or never sticking around for long, pretending they don't care. But what they've actually been doing is hiding these things, hiding the fact that they see you as perfect. You are the one they love. Now this person wants to bring some peace and harmony back into this connection, Capricorn. But now they don't know how to make this work because so much of stagnancy has happened. So much of bad memories have now been created in this connection. But they do want to bring peaceful times back into this connection. The problem is that right now maybe you guys are not communicating. There's been some stuck energy, some stagnancy which has come into this connection. But heart of hearts, what this person really wants is a happily ever after. They want peace. That's why maybe this card came out. Somebody wants to restore the peaceful times in this connection because they see you in their future. But why is the Page of Cups in reverse then, Spirit? Why won't they come forward and apologize or, give that offer? Because in the past they feel they've created some imbalance in this connection. Maybe they were, trying to play tricks, and this was like a game for them, and unknowingly or knowingly they could have hurt their partner very badly. They are realizing that I have created this imbalance by hurting my person. Things are totally stuck. Now they don't know with what face to come and even apologize. They are seeing that person as the Queen of Pentacles now, the Queen of Wands now. And now they're seeing the value that this person has in their life. And they feel quite foolish for having created... Okay. So now they know that there's a lot of conflict here. They're not sure whether this Queen of Pentacles is going to even accept their apology. They definitely do want to come in with this apology though. They do want to come in with a love offer. It's taking them a little time because they're feeling a bit intimidated. They're feeling intimidated that, oh my God, I was putting this person down. This person who is like, now I realize my Two of Cups. Who's beautiful, who's shining, who's... So what can we expect now, Spirit? If this Queen of Pentacles has walked away from this connection, Capricorn, they are very unhappy. They're very, very unhappy. They are getting enlightened to the fact that they have damaged a beautiful connection. They've damaged a chance for stability, for the Four of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, and the only fear right now is that if they do go back with that apology, this Queen is going to cut their head off. They feel they will not be trusted again. This Queen is now will be suspicious of their motives and will ask or say certain things which they are very afraid to now, and fearing that trust is lost. So yes, they're feeling a little unmotivated because of that. But heart of hearts, this person knows that whatever they did was wrong, and even though they may not immediately have the guts to come forward, they do want to rebuild. And they're also realizing it was their fault. Yes, they are waiting. They have to make a... They feel a very strong connection, Capricorn, a very lovers. And this card has come out 3 times, I think, already in this reading, twice at least. They just want the barriers to come down before they can make a move. So, Queen of Pentacles, do you want to say something to us since you're in the upright? Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles says, I am chilling. I've retreated from this connection. I feel my person was emotionally and closed off. They used me, my emotions. They never opened up to me, and they never brought justice to my life. They were an emperor in reverse. They were controlling me. They were trying to be one up on me all the time. Yes, I feel bad when I remember the past events. I wish things had not gone down the way they did. But you know what? I'm concentrating on myself now. I am now concentrating on my own money, on my own pentacle, and I'm over those sleepless nights now. I'm not stressing about it anymore. And yes, the minute this Queen of Pentacles is taking back their power, here they come. Now they're feeling that remorse at all their bad behavior. They may not be able to come immediately. I don't know how long. Each of you, it'll be a different time limit, but they're a little afraid to bring that apology. They don't know how they're going to be received. So they feel whatever tricks they played have kind of backfired on them. Whatever conflict they brought, whatever fight that happened. But this person is quite serious now that they want a commitment. They want to come offering it all. Okay, Capricorn? So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.